Alright, test run number 4 or 5, I don't know. Do the loop again. Ooh, very bumpy right there, big root. Whoa. Misjudged that one. You misjudged that one. Jeez, come on, buddy. What happens when you're worrying about filming and the filming angle more than balancing on the scooter and riding this thing? God, I have no idea. Hopefully it's straight. I don't know. What am I gonna see? I'm gonna see nothing but handlebars. Woo, crazy. Whoa, almost hit that rock. Roots, bloody roots. See, that time I balanced it right, because I anticipated the roots. You don't anticipate things with this thing, yeah, it's a little dangerous. Gets a little freaky. How we dealing with? Now that I know if this works, we can go a little longer. Try to make a better video for everybody. Just watching all the roots. Big root. I'm gonna go down the easy side. But maybe I'll go down right around over here. For you guys, lots of brakes over here because it's pine. Pine needles are slippery. And there's roots. Gotta be careful. And lots of pebbles and rocks. More pine needles. I'm not going too crazy down this descent. And once we're down, now we can kind of rip a little bit. Open her up. 15 miles an hour, baby. Woohoo! Watching out for roots. Still don't want to fall at this speed. Gotta keep my body pointed forward. No sideways. Big roots. Hopefully you guys can see how bumpy it truly is this time around, and the fact that it's not easy trails. Hey, bird. Big burrow roots, rocks. We'll just tear on it, the opening part of the trail a little bit, tear up the hill. All rocks. It's like a mountain of rocks, pebbles. Mountain. Big hill. Loose gravel down here, always treacherous. Wet spots, always treacherous. All right. And we are at the river. Bangahue, head on back. Speed. Watch out for the wet spot. Get some speed for the hill early on. So it throws us right up this hill so easily. We're like ripping. Gotta be careful here. Soft. I'll go do the crazy drop for you guys now. Get out of my mouth, bug. Alright, this descent's a little crazier, so you gotta go slow. Take it easy. There's a couple of big roots, like right here. Line. Avoid all the big rocks. It'll stop us short. Keep some speed. Throttle, and we're good. Back to normal. Now we can rip it again. Some big roots around, so you gotta be careful over here. Ugh. Hopefully my trail's clear. Take down the bike trail for a second. Full speed, 15 miles an hour. Woohoo! Nice and safe. Nothing's gonna ruin my day right now. Getting bumpy. Hello. Hello. I got my buddy. What's up, dude? How you doing? Hello. Look at the cutie right here. Hello, how are you? Let's go take it on the bike trail. This will be this way. Hopefully, oh my god. Big root garden. Alright, let's rip it. Hopefully this just looks cooler, man. Oh my god, caterpillars already in my face and spiders and all the cobweb strings from the spiders, caterpillars. Come on. It tickles so bad. You gotta like stop and just wipe it off. Alright. And for those wondering right here, this is an American chestnut tree. It's functionally extinct. American keystone tree species. Right there, you can see right in the middle where it gets Cryophanektria parasitica, the fungus that kills it, stops it dead in its tracks, and it starts sprouting suckers or new trees around it in its attempt to survive. This one survived for a little while, probably 5 to 10 years before it got the blight, and now it's dead. First season, it's not leafing, with me watching it for about 5 years, and that's what you get. You get new American chestnuts trying, and then you got the blight. It's a reminder of why we don't eat chestnuts anymore, and everything is named Chestnut Street, Chestnut whatever around here. See you in the next clip. All right, let's rip it. The only thing I'm concerned with over here is that one big wall root that's a wall. Where is it? It's coming up. It's over here. It's like a wall over here. Totally avoiding it. Right there. Good. I'll pretend like I have the dogs. Although this is a pain in the ass. No, should I do this? No, why not? We're like halfway. We made it. Alright. Alright, made our root garden again. Do your best, find the smoothest spot you think you can in the moment. That's all you can do. Wet spot, keep it balanced. Oh my God. All right, we did it. Whoa, slippery. I can feel that slip. Always gotta be careful on those puddles. Puddles are crazy, man. All right, some horsepower again. Woo! Finally. Rip up this hill, full power. Big roots pulling up the nose. Ripping, full power still. Look at that, rip me straight up that hill. Now we're as tall as the treetops. Hee hee hee. Hey, look at you guys. Hey, what's up, dog?